1911, when this philanthropist named Don Juan de la Cruz didn't think twice and with his own volition donated this huge land to the people of Macabebe. It became the center of education then in the whole town and the other nearby towns. Doctors, engineers, lawyers, architects, CPAs, and of course, teachers, and many more are its product.
Hindi ko ba kayo, don't you have any regret? Ang bibiro lang. Kasi imagine 33,000 square meters. That is equivalent to more than 3 hectares. Oh, subdivision na siya. But anyway, gusto ko pong tawagin si Ma'am Jemima Cruz Landicho to give us her message.
Thank you. Good morning po. It's nice to see everyone. It's our first time po, me personally, to attend this Foundation Day. So, happy 109th Foundation Day. So, when we say Foundation Day, what is it supposed to mean? Foundation Day po, it's a way of us going back to history and trying to reminisce the origin of our school. So, with that, that's where my great-great-grandmother comes in. So, Sir Juan de la Cruz, the only goal po niya naman po is to contribute to Macabebe by donating his land for education. So, on the behalf of my relatives po, part of the alumni rin po ng Macabebe Elementary School is my mom, na si Alfonso Cruz Landicho, and my auntie Chona Pangilinan. So, on behalf of my Uncle Benny. So, all we want to do talaga is remind all the kids na pagbutihin yung pag-aaral nyo. Mga kids, are you doing your best at school? Oo? Nag-aaral po kayong mabuti, mga bata? Yeah, and for the parents, thank you po for being with us. Thank you for supporting your children here. All we ask is for you to do your best na makapagtapos po yung mga anak ninyo. And just like what Doc said, na support rin natin pati for the costumes, mga events like this. Kasi po ngayon po sa workforce, once they enter the jobs po nila, hindi lang tinitingnan yung academics. They want to see the holistic value of your kids. So part of growing up is learning how to socialize, learning the discipline of having to rehearse, attend practices, and bloom all their skills and talents. So just support MES po sa mga activities that they are trying to lead. Support them and let them grow holistically. Kasi by doing this, you will be well-rounded persons. So mga bata, always remember yung sakripisyo ng mga magulang nyo. It's not easy to get money for tuition, ganyan. So just do your best, kids. And with that, all we want to do talaga for the present and future is for you to continue working hard to educate yourselves and to support the education of Macabebe. We are glad to hear rin na Macabebe Elementary School has produced great alumni, doctors, lawyers, and other people contributing in society. So thank you, MES, for improving pa what we have given you. That's all that Sir Juan de la Cruz wanted to see. And thank you also for the alumni members. Kahit you have graduated na, you're committing your time and efforts for the school. So we appreciate that. And for all the educators here, the parents, children, thank you po. Let us remember what Doc said earlier na lahat po tayo may contribution for the success of the school. So tulong-tulong po tayo. So with that, Happy Foundation Day!
We really recognize your presence simply because the founding anniversary has been done every year, and simply because of your presence, palagi po naging tradisyon na ng Macabebe Elementary School. At muli pinararating po namin sa inyo ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat dahil sa selfless na pagbibigay ng malaking lote para sa mga mamamayan, mga learners ng Macabebe. This place had been the place in producing successful Macabebe citizens.
Ang galing natin dito ha. Nagsuntuan. 5,000 sa best presentation. O alamin ko muna kung sino. Okay. Okay, nalaman ko na po.
And performance and execution. And for that, we chose, plus we also like to make intro siya. And connected to your hotel. So that is the lantern making. The lantern.
Okay. Mama.
So good job to everyone. We enjoyed watching po all your performances. To the parents, for the ngayon. So we had a great time watching everyone, from the kids, and we also appreciated na most of you used recyclable materials. We noticed that rin. Pero we have decided to choose yung pinaka-effort for the costume. And of course, we took into consideration yung gastos ng parents. So we have decided to choose Sinolo! Congratulations!
Sinulog Festival po ang nanalo sa Best in Costume. Madam Nancy, mugyat ka kaya ikang kumubra. Ikang kumubra kaya So, best presentation goes to Lantern Festival. Most creative, Lantern Festival, no doubt about it. Then, sa best in costume po, no doubt, talagang grade 4. Now, according po sa hinampalan, taking their advice sa ating PSDS, it's majority po ito na pinag-usapan. Nabibigyan daw po yung iba natin mga kasama. Anyway, thank you po for your participation, especially to our guests for today. Maraming salamat po for taking time. I know how busy you are with your time, but I made it to witness this event. Thank you very much on behalf of Macabebe Elementary School, teachers, and the administrators. Maraming salamat.